I'm happy. I'm sad. I'm really upset. I've just lost my job. I've just been sacked. I've just been fired. I'm really upset. The girls behind me are always saying nasty things about me. I'm really upset. I've just crashed my car. The child is upset. Her parents are arguing again. I'm so stressed. My children won't stop arguing. I'm upset. I've just seen my weight. The woman is really upset. She's talking about her problems. I'm depressed. My life's a complete mess. I'm depressed. I have too much homework to do. I'm so depressed. I don't know why I'm feeling this way. I can't handle life anymore. I'm depressed. I have to find another job. I'm chained to my desk every day. I'm disappointed. I got a really bad mark in my exams. I'm disappointed. I lost the tennis match. I didn't win. I'm really disappointed in the result. My football team didn't win. I'm miserable. I've got a cold and a really bad cough. I'm miserable because I've got the flu. I'm miserable. My life isn't very exciting. I'm lonely. They won't speak to me. I'm depressed. I don't have any friends. I'm feeling lonely. No one comes to visit me. I'm not happy. I've got to get up and go to work. I'm really unhappy. The food in this restaurant is terrible. I'm unhappy. I'm not feeling great. I've got really bad toothache. I need to go to the dentist. I'm really unhappy. I'm behind bars. I'm in prison. I'm not happy. My future husband is trying to escape. I'm unhappy and depressed. I'm too fat. I need to lose weight. I'm unhappy. I've got a sore back. I need to go and see the doctor. I'm unhappy. I've got a spot on my face. I'm unhappy. My husband won't stop snoring. I'm disillusioned with life. I'm really unhappy with my job. I'm distressed. I've just received really bad news. I'm really distressed. I've got far too much to do. I'm distressed. The customer won't stop complaining. I'm so sad. My life can't get any worse. I'm sad. I've got no money to go out tonight. I'm not feeling great. I have to pay too many credit card bills. Please, God, help me. I'm exhausted and totally disillusioned with life. I have too many things to do and I can't do it all. I'm feeling very stressed at the moment. I have a lot of reading to do. I'm feeling very isolated and lonely. I need to ask for help.